Hi guys! Welcome sa SIP9. In this video ay tutuloy natin yung series natin on simplifying rational algebraic expressions. Let's have number 1. 5x minus 5 is equal to x squared minus 1. We can factor out 5, di ba? Magiging 5 times x minus 1. And yung denominator natin ay difference of two squares, no? So, pag difference of two squares, di ba? A squared minus b squared is equal to a plus b times a minus b. So, dapat ma-recall nyo yung factoring ninyo dito. X plus 1 times x minus 1. So, ito yung a plus b, a minus b natin. Which means that we can cancel out x minus 1. And the answer is 5 divided by x plus 1. Alright, so sa previous video, nabanggit ko sa inyo na may mga pagkakataon, no, na, well, technically, ang tama ay dapat lalagyan siya ng restriction. Ang kinancel natin ay x minus 1. So, pag nag-cancel tayo, dapat hindi 0 yung denominator, no? So, meaning x minus 1 should not be equal to 0, which means that x should not be equal to 1. So, pag nasa university na kayo, lalagyan nyo yan ng x is not equal to 1. No? Well, in some books, and syempre kung usapan nyo ng teacher nyo na hindi nyo na kailangan itong lagyan, okay lang naman yun. No? Pero technically, you have to put that to make sure that the denominator is not equal to 0. Okay, for number 2, we have x squared minus 9 divided by x squared plus 5x plus 6. So, kita naman natin na yung numerator niya ay difference of two squares, which means that that's equal to x plus 3. Get the square root of this to get the square root of this. And then you have a plus and the minus. So, x plus 3, x minus 3. And yung nasa denominator, kung magaling kayo sa factoring, isang tingin pa lang, alam nyo na yan. But we are looking for a product of 6 and a sum of 5. Ano yung numbers na yun? Product ay 6, sum ay 5. Ano yung mga factors ng 6? 1 times 6, 2 times 3, negative 1 times negative 6, negative 2 times negative 3. Alin dyan yung sum ay 5? 2 and 3, di ba? So, meaning this is x plus 2 times x plus 3. So, kung hindi nyo alam to, panoorin nyo yung series natin on factoring. Lagay ko sa baba yung link. So, pwede tayo mag-cancel, no? We can cancel x plus 3. This is 1, this is 1. The answer is x minus 3 over x plus 2. So, ayaw natin na ang x plus 3 ay 0, which means that the x is not equal to negative 3. So, x is not equal to negative 3. Okay, so this one, you can think about it, the factors. Ano ang number na ang product ay negative 20 at ang sum ay 1. So, this is the product. This is the sum. So, negative 20. Ano ba yung factors sa negative 20? Negative 20 and 1, 20 and negative 1, 10 and negative 2, negative 10 and 2, negative 5 and 4, 5 and negative 4. Meron pa ba? So, alin dyan yung sum ay 1. This one, di ba? Meaning, that's x plus 5 times x minus 4. Ayun na sa ibaba. Anong number na ang sum ay 4? Sorry. Ang sum ay negative 5 at ang product ay 4. So, sum product. 1 and 4, 2 and 2, negative 1 and negative 4. Negative 1 and negative 4 is also 4, di ba? Kasi multiplication yan eh. Tapos, negative 2 and negative 2. Saan dyan ang sum nila ay negative 5? This one. So, this is x minus 1 times x minus 4. So, yung number, nilalagay dito. Again, hindi ko na to explain, no? Kasi ang assumption ko dito, marunong na kayo mag-factor. So, kung hindi nyo naintindihan yung sinasabi ko dito, you have to watch yung factoring na series natin at lalagay ko yung link sa baba. So, we can cancel. And the answer is x plus 5 over x minus 1. Where x is not equal to x minus 4 must not equal 0, which means that x is not equal to 4. Okay? So, for number 1, this is the answer. For number 2, this is the answer. And for number 3, this is the answer. That's it. Maraming salamat. Sana ay nag-enjoy kayo sa ating video. Huwag niyo kalimutan mag-subscribe. See you in the next video.